In C#, there are two ways to convert from one data type to another. When you convert, you can do it implicitly or explicitly based on the condition. In this first example, what I'm doing is I've got two variables declared, x and y. X is declared as an int and y is declared as a double. Now what I've taken in the next line is I've taken the double and set it equal to the value of the integer data type. The double variable is being assigned the integer. X will implicitly be converted to double. And the reason for that is that there is no chance of any data loss. This assignment will never fail. X, and whatever value x is, will always be able to fit into that double variable. So what happens at compilation is x is converted for you implicitly to a double, so that it can be passed to a double variable. In this next example, you will have to explicitly convert a data type using what's called a casting expression. And you can see an example of that right here. Here we have the same variables. We have the x integer and we have the y double variable. But this time what I'm doing is I'm taking a larger data type, y, and passing it into a smaller data type. What I'm going to need to do here is explicitly convert the data type. And I do that by using what's called a casting expression. So what I've done is I've taken the value of y and cast it to an integer using that casting expression. Casting expressions are easy to implement. It really just includes putting the data type inside parentheses before the variable that you want to explicitly cast. So, for example, in a different situation, if I wanted to cast y to a decimal, I would just simply include in open close parentheses decimal y. That's a cast of the value of y to a decimal. So you can see that when you explicitly convert data types, it's done through the casting expression.